In this video, I'll show you how to fix the HTTP error 529 in Roblox. So, if you're seeing the message saying an HTTP error has occurred, usually along with error code 529, then I'll show you a few different ways to fix it. Let's get started. First, open the Start menu on your computer. Now search for Settings. And open the Settings window. From the left-hand side, click on Time and Language. Next, select Date and Time. Now make sure the option called Set Time Automatically is turned on. Also make sure Set Time Zone Automatically is enabled as well. Then click on Sync Now to refresh your system time. Once you've done that, reopen Roblox and check if the issue is fixed. If it's still not working, come back to the same page. This time, turn off Set Time Zone Automatically. Now use the drop-down menu and manually select your correct time zone. After that, disable Set Time Automatically. And manually set the correct date and time on your computer. Once everything is accurate, click Change. Now try opening Roblox again and see if the error disappears. If you're still getting the HTTP 529 error, another fix you can try is using a VPN connection. You can also connect your computer to a mobile hotspot using your phone's mobile data. Sometimes network or ISP issues can cause Roblox connection errors, and switching networks can fix the problem instantly. And that's it. Those are some of the best ways to fix Roblox HTTP error 529. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more Roblox tutorials.